Hi, I'm back to show you what I do with leftover puff pastry. So sometimes when you make shapes, there's bits and pieces that are left over. I just put them away together up until my puff pastry is finished. So I form it into a ball as you have seen here. I flattened it and then cut it into triangles. And these ones I just stuffed them with Viennas and ham and cheese, and then I shaped it into like little croissants. Yes, and then after that, with the same process, you freeze it, and this is how it looks from the freezer. Then straight from the freezer, you can bake it, put it in your air fryer, and that's it. It's easy to make. It's just perfect for a snack, lunch, or even for the lunchbox. Hello lunchbox lovers, here's an easy lunchbox idea.
You put the work in like it's your full-time job to love me, staying up all.
Let's make a pizza using a panini roll. So you're gonna take your panini roll and cut it in half in the middle. And then you're gonna spread some tomato paste, sprinkle some cheese, and then our topping is minced today. Add any sauces of your choice. I added avocados because we love avocados here. And then sprinkle with the rest of the cheese. Air fry this for about 5 minutes or until the cheese has melted. And that's it. So simple and delicious. Please make this for the kids or maybe yourself or the entire family. It's very delicious, but remember, my toppings is what I have in my home, so you can just use any toppings you want. As long as there's cheese and sauces, it will taste delicious. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share.